everybody. Today we are recording something again. Just annoy that thing. The microwave sounds like this. When it dings, that means it's ready. And this is lost this. Happening. I thought this opens. There. That looks like that.
Oh, you fix it. Very good, Sasha.
And you know the rules is no spilling things allowed, no stealing things allowed from strangers, no running around here, and no accidentally dropping dirty eating things on the floor. Okay? So that's the rules. Let's begin. You know what I'm doing, everybody? I'm mixing this. And I'm going to put it in this pan or this pie. Daddy, pretend you're the customer.
I'm the customer?
Yeah.
And what are you cooking for me?
Daddy, you already asked.
I don't know.
You already asked, Daddy.
But I don't remember.
Daddy, you asked for a pie.
Asked for a what?
You asked for a lot of things.
Yes. And what are you making right now?
Every lot of things because you wanted it.
Okay.
There we go. Mixing is done. Now we have to put it. There we go. Now put the pie in it. Eat this. Now meanwhile it's cooking. Now we have to turn on the timer.
What's that's gonna do?
Let's just gonna wait till when it's done. Now meanwhile it's cooking, we can make a tea.
Yeah.
This tea is dirty, so I didn't make it. I'll just pour it away. Play with it. That's my beat, everyone. Even Jayla got it. Jayla got beat, so I got beat. Now for everyone, let's go to 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh yeah. Daddy, you have to sit down, Dad. More teams, so it won't be.
What do you ask?
One ice or two ice?
One should be enough.
Daddy, you have to pretend you like three.
Okay, 3 ice.
Okay. Wait, come in with. I wonder what happened.
Wow, thank you. Those look yummy.
Pretend it's not finished. Things take a lot of time.
Okay, thank you.
Where's the cake go? Bye, friends.
Did you